Hello, this is Jew. Hey, look what I have here. I have my daughter's Switch, and she wants me to install a tempered glass screen protector on the Switch. So that's what we're going to do today. Now this tempered glass screen protector is nothing fancy. It is made for a Switch, but it's basically kind of an off-brand. It's a nano optic screen protector. It's not a Nintendo branded item, but it is for Nintendo Switches. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what comes inside. Okay, so it comes with a couple of wipes. It has a wet wipe and a dry wipe. So you use the wet wipe first and then you dry it off with the dry wipe. It also has these little kind of sticker things that anytime you use wipes, you may have some lint left over. So this is basically a little sticker that helps remove all the remaining lint to keep your screen nice and crystal clear before you actually put the tempered glass down, which is right here. So sure enough, after opening up the wet wipe, this thing feels really old and it's not wet at all. So what I'm going to do is take just some isopropyl alcohol and just add. So basically the wet portion of these wipes are just isopropyl alcohol. So you can go ahead and I'm just going to apply some alcohol and kind of clean the screen as best I can. And then I'll use the tiny dry wipe to just kind of dry it off. Well, that little tiny wipe wasn't doing the job, so I'm just using a little utility paper towel, which doesn't really produce a lot of lint. And I think I got it pretty darn clean. I don't see any specks of dust on it to need to be removed. There's a little speck right there that I have to work on, but it's pretty good. Okay, so here's the tempered piece of glass, and it actually has a film on the side you apply to the screen, and there's a little bit of a tab right here, sticker tab that you could pull the film off. Now I don't want to do that right away, but when you do remove that film, you don't want to touch that surface that the film was on, because that will be in direct contact with the screen and you could leave fingerprints. So you're going to try to not touch this side after this film is removed. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so with the film removed, I'm just going to try to center it as best I can. Try not to touch the bottom. And then just sort of drop it. And you'll see that it's getting dark. It's applying itself nicely down. But you could also see little areas that aren't fully in contact yet. And so to deal with those areas, I'm just going to gently with my finger kind of push outward. Try not to leave any bubbles. And there you go. I think I got it pretty well. There's a little spot here that I should work on a little bit, but I think it looks pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.